I'm so sorry. I know it's late, but I think I
It's
just need
okay.
to do this discussion. And I'm so sorry because I haven't cleaned up my makeup because I just came back from outside with my family. So, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good, but there's something
What?
I'm a bit stressful recently,
Uh,
but it's okay. So let's get to our point.
all right.
Uh, I just want to say, oh yeah, I want to say about our discussion about physical store. I've said to you before that I want to open up a physical store, which is a shop in Malacca. So, what do you
Uh,
think about that? Is it okay or it's not okay for now?
yeah, for now, I think yes, because our economy now is already stable. So I think it was a good idea. Oh, by the way, I found some new local brand clothing recently, such as Harabelle, Kyrie's, Pop Loop, and I found the total I found like 10. So what do
Mhm.
you think about?
I think that's good because the one for the Kyrie's, I think that is a high demand brand
Oh
because
yeah.
I have bought it once
Oh, so it's
because
good then.
the design is so beautiful. So I think that is good. I think we can put it in the new arrival, I guess,
Oh yeah.
for the new local brand clothing.
Mm,
Uh,
okay,
is there
but
uh-huh.
but one thing I worry about right now is our capital. How can we cut the capital for our new brand? You have
Ah, oh yeah, about that. I think before. About that, I think since there's only two of us who's running this
mm,
business, so
yeah.
I think for our physical store we need another workers to run the business because of course we need someone to check the stocks and then someone to be the cashier and to be the salesman, and we also need to think about the utilities and their salaries, the workers' salaries,
Yeah.
and the most important thing, the shop rental,
Yeah.
because that for now I think
It's
it's
a
a bit
must.
pricey for now, but it's
Mm,
okay because I think Malacca there's lots of tourists here, so there is no problem about that. So therefore, I have a plan to make a loan with a bank.
oh.
So yeah, so I think that's a good idea because I have a friend named Umaira. She's
Okay.
from Sam Bank, and
Oh.
she has once called me about business financing, but at
Mm,
that time I don't apply because I think at that time we are struggling for online business.
yeah.
So now I think we need to get the capital so we can use the loan to as our
Mhm.
capital. So what
Yeah.
do you think? Is it okay?
Yeah. I think it's okay. We can try first.
Mm-hmm.
Try
So
first.
if that is okay, I think how about are you free tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yes. I'm free tomorrow. Why? Is there anything?
Okay, if there's you have nothing to do tomorrow, can you come to Malacca?
Yeah, sure. What time and where?
All right, about that time, I'll confirm. I will confirm back because I need to call my friends first
Oh,
because
yeah.
I don't know the appointment. What's which at what time? So anything, I will update you.
Okay. Sure.
So I think that's all for our
Okay.
discussion today.
Okay. Is there anything? Just let me know, okay?
Sure. So anything, I will update about the time.
Yeah,
So
sure.
see you tomorrow.
Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Hello, assalamualaikum.
Yeah, Waalaikumsalam.
Is this Umaira?
Yes, I'm Maya here.
Hi, Umaira. Do you still remember me?
Um, do you Amira?
Yes, I am. Okay, Umaira, actually, I want to ask, are you still working in Chembang?
Yes, I'm still working at Chembang Malacca as manager.
Oh, I see. That's great. Okay, so now actually I have. Can you do me a favor because I want to make a loan for my business. So can
Okay.
you make an appointment for me to meet you at the bank?
Okay, I can help you because Chembang had a financing loan. Okay, let me
Mm-hmm.
check my schedule first.
Alright, sure.
Okay, I'm free at 3 p.m. today.
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay?
I think that's okay. So at 3 p.m.
At 3 p.m. I will ask my assistant to make appointment with you, and then
Mm-hmm.
you can come to my office.
Alright, sure. Thank you so much, Umay.
Okay, welcome.
Alright, bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Hello, Waalaikumsalam. Yes, Amira.
Hi, Bea. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. But actually, I have a news about the bank.
Oh yeah, what's the update?
Alright, so I have called my friend from the Cham Bank, and she is actually the manager of the bank in Malacca.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so what's the plan?
Alright, so she has made an appointment for us at 3 p.m. after the lunch hour. So can you manage to come here by 3 p.m.?
Yeah, inshallah. Maybe I will come at 12 o'clock so that we can have a lunch together and then we can discuss further about the business.
Alright, sure, because I also want to show you the financial report of our company at maybe we can meet at the cafe.
Okay, yes, sure.
Alright, sure. Thank you, babe.
Alright, thank you. Bye.
Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Woman.
Coming. Hi, Mara. Hi, Mara. I know it's been a long time we haven't seen these people, I guess. I'm not sure. So, yeah, but by the way, this is my business partner.
Hi, my name is
Actually,
Shifa.
this is Shifra, yeah.
My name is Shanaira.
Hi, Maya. So, let's get to our point. So, my business partner will explain about the company.
Okay, so this is information about our company. So our company is known as Mareiki Berhad, which is we sell Malaysian local clothing brand. Then that is located in Malacca Historical. That's still in Jalan Hantua Street. So we take stock from variety of local in Malaysia only. So the but during from 2018, our company has been closed because of the pandemic, COVID-19.
So, our business is quite slow, so that's why we just do it in online platform only.
Yeah, true. So there are some reasons why we need a loan from our business. So firstly, you can see here is inventory. So we sell variety of local brand clothing. So we need space to store the inventory. So and next for the time, we need equipment. Because we will getting more expensive and become outdated over time. Then those can help us to manage this cost of equipment.
Okay, first of all, can I know how many amount that you need for your business? And then that you include the utilities, salary, how many workers, and then short rental in your business financing.
Okay, about that, yes, we have included all the utilities, and our workers we maybe need about 5 to check the stocks, and then it's for the cashier, for the salesman and what's on. So it will be maybe about 5 to 6 workers, and then about the utilities and the rental of the shop. So everything that we have included. So we have discussed that we need in about 250,000 for the loan to cover up all of it and as a capital for our shop.
Okay, can you give me your
sure. Alright, so this is our business proposal and our financial report for the year 2019 and also 2020, and this is our logo, but I'm so sorry about the color, but it is actually pink color.
Alright. This is for 2019 and 2020.
Yeah.
Okay. The ratio profitability. Right, it's alright. Efficiency ratios. Wow, it's amazing.
So
You can
this is all
survive.
the performance.
You can survive better.
Yeah. I
Uh,
hope so that we can support for this for another
Yeah.
year and in our future.
Security, the ratio, profitability, efficiency.
So in here we can conclude that even though we are still in online business, but we still survive
Yes.
with a good performance.
Good performance.
Okay, so this is the reason why you need to approve our loan for business. So you can read.
And then you have secondly, open more branch, attract more customers, and then to streamline and promote product, keeping money flow through your business, and then business capital, and to further expand to the next level. Okay. I have checked your reason why I need to approve your loans, and then I will contact you later for approval, and then I will ask you for sign for our contract.
Alright, okay, sure. Anything you can just hit me up.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you so much, Farah.
Thank you.
So this one you can keep.
Okay, I
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Assalamualaikum Amira.
Hello, salam. Yes,
I want to tell you that your loan have been approved.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
really.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. So,
Okay.
when can I meet the agreement and to sign the agreement?
You free on Tuesday next week?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you can come to my office. Bring along your partnership, Shifa, and then come to sign out your agreement.
Alright, sure. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Salam. Come in.
Hi, Farah.
Hi.
Thank you so much for the loan.
Thank you so much. You're helping us a lot.
Yeah.
This is your proposal.
Oh yeah.
You have to sign here.
Oh, I need to sign here.
Yes, sign here.
Can I?
Both of us need to sign.
Yes, both of you.
Alright.
You want to check first?
Right. We're done. Thank you so much, Mara, for helping us. So if there is anything, you can just call me or you can text me for WhatsApp. So thank you so much for helping us. We are
Thank you so much.
we are so appreciate your effort. So anything, just hit me up, okay?
Okay, good luck. Alright.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Assalamualaikum.